talking, more thought jogging.
Yo, what's up? My name is Apostrophe. We're out here in Riverside at the Common Ground, Richmond Face. You know what I mean? We got a lot of big shit going.
Verbs, yeah, I'm from Culver City, California. I rap really good. I'm the 72nd best rapper of all time. You know, we about to go in there and do Enough Said EP. It's gonna be tight. Hell yeah.
Crystal Mcfly, aka that ugly motherfucker, aka the 73rd best rapper alive. I like that.
That's the realest shit I heard a long time. You know what I mean? They actually got the perfect length and shit. What you gotta say about yourself, my man?
With money, my jumping around is gotten.
No sir.
Alright, yeah, no, we got the post interview for the show earlier, you know what I mean, and everybody in their sets, you know, pretty much, you know, they crushed it, you know, as expected, you know what I mean. We got my boys right now. We're gonna just have a little bit of, you know, one-on-one with the, you know, the fans and shit like that to tell them exactly how they feel about the set.
Yo, we just got done doing a god body ass set, winning their body bag,
Body.
fucking spot,
Body.
like shit went down, pyrotechnics and shit, nigga, backup
Caveman
dancers,
shit, nigga.
Shit was fucking great.
I actually had to hook up for the pyrotechnics, you know what I mean? That's the beauty of Southern California. We got a couple Mexican homies, they brought that shit over here. You know what I mean? The pesos to American currency work out perfect. So, you know what I mean? It's going down, you know what I mean?
Easy. Anyways, yeah, shit was tight. Enough said EP.bandcamp.com.
Go get that
I'm
shit.
Verbs, Pistol, Mars,
All day. Mars2.bandcamp.com. Me and Lista just dropped some new shit called Some Random Shit. Make sure you go get that. Download everything you see on that fucking page.
Tell them your Bandcamp.
Beats on the beats and I rap good as fuck.
It's gonna be all on free download too?
All free.
It's
all
up
free.
there. It's up there.
It's name your own price actually. So if you want to donate, you know what I'm saying, do what you do. But
Hey, we can find that on
put 000 if you don't want to pay. Huh? Mars2.bandcamp.com.
Thank you for watching us, America. Go download all our shit. Verbs.bandcamp.com. That's 86till.bandcamp.com. Mars
86till.bandcamp.com.
Alright, everybody, we fucking with Devious Films. We're out here at the Common Ground.
Let me say one more thing. Enough said. EP.bandcamp.com.
It's free. It's the best 19 minutes in rap.
Ever.
Get off your couch.
Hey, nah,
go
for
download
real.
the shit.
Nah, for real.
Get off WorldStar.
Hey, word to
Close
KRS-One
that
knows,
piff
nigga.
for a couple
Real shit,
seconds.
nigga.
Shut down Karmaloop for like 2 seconds.
Piff wouldn't
Go
let us
download
on
the
it.
shit.
Hey,
Get
that
off the
Piff
Hundreds
wouldn't
blog
fucking
for a
accept it. It was
second.
so hot.
And this just ain't hype. This ain't hype, you know what I mean? I ain't trying to reach out to the hype beast. This is that shit. You know
No,
what
this
I
is
mean?
all hype because I'm
telling
fucking
you.
fabulous.
Hey, Dipset, bitch. Hey, Mars all day though.
Believe in yourself, America.
Yeah.